Welcome to the FarmBlick Community, the practical tool for smart farming. In this video we show you step by step how to register with the FarmBlick Community. Let's get started right away. Go to www.app.farmblick.de with your web browser. Please make sure that only the browsers Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are activated. If you click on the flag, you can change the language. To register, click on the corresponding button. Now enter your email address, a password with at least 8 characters, your company name, your first and last name and your company address. In the FarmBlick code field, enter the code provided to you, which you can receive in 3 different ways. Either by email, as a card from one of our system partners, or via our online shop. On the card you will find a code under the scratch field. Now enter the code you received in the corresponding field. To complete the registration, please confirm our terms of use, which you can also view directly here. You will then receive an automatic email from our system with a confirmation link. After clicking on this link, registration is complete and you can log in at www.app.farmblick.de with your username and password. Welcome to our website.